Daddy. Happy Father's Day is the best, Papa.
Oh. Dankjewel.
Happy Father's Day!
Je bent de allerbeste. Eigen nummer 1. Ik wil geen ander hebben, want jij bent top en uniek, mijn papa.
Oh.
Dankjewel.
Ga maar het openen.
Dankjewel.
That is so beautiful, baby. You made that yourself? A medal for Papa?
Yeah.
Wow.
And what is your surprise then?
Secret, baka ma-spread.
Ah.
Dank je, kerel.
In jouw tafel.
Wat dacht je ervan dat ik die ophang op zolder?
Ja,
Yeah.
daar mag die.
So sweet, boy. Thank you, Lord, for giving us a sweet boy.
En kijk dit plaatje nou.
Ja.
Is that Papa and you?
Dit is papa.
Ja?
En dit is mij. Mama is er geworden.
Ay, there is Mama. Okay, thank you. Sorry, my love. Sorry, mahal. Tell them what happened, mahal.
You told Nathan. Nathan was with me. Happy Father's Day, Papa. Nathan, go downstairs. Let your dad sleep. 2 minutes later.
Binuksan ko ang
Alarm going
pintuan. Nagising siya. Nag-alarm ang bahay. Sinabihan ko na good. I told Nathan, let's go downstairs. Let your papa sleep because it's Father's Day. And then when I opened the door. Were you annoyed, mahal?
I woke up. I was like, oh, so you're letting me sleep, huh?
I love you. Happy Father's Day.
You too.
Bigla lang ba ito ba? Kay binuksan ko, ilabas ko ang aking sinampay pagbukas. Ay nalang, Inday Garnet, ang ating rice. Mag-init na ako ng mga ulam. Pastil at ang aking ginataan na isda, batlok. Lok. Nagupit ako ng buhok kagabi, guys, kasi grabe niya nakanipis sa baba. Kunti lang masyado yung buhok dito, kaya ginupit ko na po siya. Short hair na naman ang Inday ninyo. Happy Father's Day, ha? We have a
Thank you.
surprise for you later, baya. Tapos nag-request Ken siya ng dinner. Ibalik ko tong isda, parang OA na, sobrang dami na, magpastil na lang ako. Bukas ko na lang ito. Kain, everybody! Yan na yung aking breakfast, guys. Pastil lang. Pwede na ito. Kaya maparami na naman ang dinner natin today. Pagpasensyahan nyo na yung itsura ko. Pero parang maganda man ang buhok ko, guys. Ang ganyan lang ang length niya. Kain! I have a gift for you for Father's Day, mahal.
Ah, you will empty this one?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Me too.
Are you a father? Not yet, right?
Maybe he secretly is.
Yeah.
You have a surprise for me and Papa.
Yeah, I got a surprise for you too. I've got a surprise for you. And surprise! Ako maglinis nitong trabaho niya. Kay Father's Day pa yan. Go! Can you put that there, mahal? Thank you.
You said, right? That's your gift.
Later tonight, ha? Don't say it ba? It's our secret ba? Yes, we are, okay? Sinabi ko na kasi yan sa kanya kung ano ang regalo namin sa tatay niya. Ngayon, tinatanong niya ako, nandyan ang tatay niya. Are we going to? Father's Day special. Wow, what are you playing with Papa, bebe?
What a quest.
Cora Quest?
Where's...
Are you playing together or you're fighting?
I need to play with Papa and we need to fight the monsters if there are monsters.
So you are playing together. That's good. Enjoy!
Thank you.
Sampay din guys pag may time. Lagyan ko to ng ipit kasi very mahangin po today. Mahulog yung mga damit natin. Lipad ng hangin. Baka mapunta doon sa kapitbahay. Buti na lang si Daniel nag-request po ng dinner tonight. Hindi ko kailangan magluto. Mag-order lang po tayo. Kasi hindi na din kaya na magluto guys. Sinabihan ko na din talaga siya. Hindi na kaya magluto. Kaya ang surprise namin hapon na. Kaya wala choice. Mag-order tayo mamaya. Look at my kangkong guys. Kabilis niyang tumubo. Ano lang yun nung pinakita ko sa inyo kahapon. Ngayon, look at that. Nagpapalabas na naman ako ng ugat ngayon, guys. Meron na naman tayong bagong kangkong dito. Ayan, lumalabas na sila, oh. Kabilis lang, no? Kailan ba to? Kailan ba? Nung isang araw. Yay. Bong, chiki, 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 bong, chiki, 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 bong, chiki, 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 bong. Wow! Bong, chiki, 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 bong. Wow! Very good! You know what's our surprise for Papa?
You have a surprise for me and Papa?
Yeah. What was that? What was that? You know, right? Tell them.
Movie.
The movie. And what movie is that then?
The Toy Story.
Very
And I get back with Rosanna and sweet popcorn and drink.
Oh, you are right. Nag-bis ako, nagpasok sa CR. Mama, are we still watching a movie? The Toy Story. Ang tatay na sa Next time, hindi ko na yan sabihin sa kanya ba? Kaya masira ang mga surprise natin. Meron tayong package na dumating.
For me?
For me, bebe.
Why no pockets always for me?
You got the package when you had the Tamagotchi, but for now, it's my package. Oh, look at that, guys.
Can you
Korean.
buy for me a package?
Bumili ako ng skincare ko para sa Pilipinas. Paubos
More
na.
package? Oh no.
No, bebe love, what do we need for you then? I got the package because I need this. I need this for Philippines. I need the cleanser and for my serum.
Mama, I need the jelly medicine for the Philippines. So, for my eyes.
Mahal, the family in the Philippines are greeting you Happy Father's Day. And this one is a special greetings for you.
Hello, my best friend. Happy Father's Day to you. Enjoy your life and take care of your family.
Again.
Hello, my best friend. Happy Father's Day to you. Enjoy your life and take care of your family.
Happy Father's Day, Marlon! Enjoy your life and enjoy your family. No smoking.
Go upstairs na.
Papa,
Akyat na naman yan sila.
pizza job.
Naglaro na naman daw sila. Let's go everybody! Let's celebrate Father's Day.
Hey.
Why did you got that man?
It's from the game we're playing.
Pizza time, I'll be fine.
Yeah.
Nandito na tayo sa city. Feeling ko may nafe-feel na ni Daniel kung anong gagawin natin. Mahal, do you have any idea what we're doing, Mahal, or no?
No, I was thinking movie before, but then I was not. But now maybe we are. I don't know.
Oh, it's still there. Dito pa din ang carnival.
So we needed to be here for the carnival.
No, we're here for a movie.
Oh, so we are going to the movie.
Yeah. Let's go! And what are we watching, baby? Tell Papa.
Hello, Papa.
I don't tell Papa. It's a surprise. May pachuro siya dito, oh. Magbukas pa lang siya. Gabi si Nata. Ano masyado ba? Grabe ang kanyang energy ngayon. I love you both.
So I was smart to get my glasses on.
Yeah, you're smart to get your glasses.
You're watching Toy Story?
Yes, we are. Toy Story 5.
Nice.
Wow, popcorn for Nathan.
No, but that is next.
What do you want? Yeah.
That is also that
Next.
sweet popcorn and Rosanna, and that's it. Oh, a special sock that in.
Okay. Father's Day, Mahal, you can get whatever you want.
Two?
Are you a father?
No.
Not yet, ah.
Yeah. everything what I want?
When you're a father and it's Father's Day.
Why?
Because.
For sharing?
Yeah, the big one for sharing. Ah, nachos guys. Para maiba. Bumili din siya ng M&M.
And for me too?
Guacamole.
Guacamole?
Yeah.
Also another one?
Yeah.
Salsa or cheese? What do you want?
Salsa. Let's pee again, Bebe Lab, ha?
I don't need to pee.
Oh, okay. Oh, look. We need to go.
Be at the movie.
All the snacks in the world.
And that
Yeah, it's almost 1:30.
the star the snow sign.
But Papa is peeing. Chairs do we have? Wait, I'll look. 6, 7, 8.
6, 7.
7.
Now.
No, not that one. Super good movie, everyone. I love it. Did you enjoy the movie? Very good movie. Yeah. Tingnan niyo ang sombrero, ang tatay na ang gumagamit, guys. Naglaro na muna sila dito bago tayo alis. Let's go! Baby, did you enjoy the movie? Or not so much?
I enjoy the movie.
You know what the movie was saying?
Yeah?
That you need to play with your toys more and
Yeah.
not with your phone. That
Yeah.
was what the movie was saying.
Yeah.
The toys feel alone if you don't play with them.
Yeah. Oo, but Nathan is only phoning mahal when it's Saturday and Sunday. Oy, yun yun.
Things there, only Saturday or Sunday.
Paganda ng movie, guys, ba? Ang ano niya, ang lesson niya, no? Maganda yun sa mga bata na mahilig mag-gadget. Oh, kaya about siya dyan. Oh, look, bebe! You want to be there? He's alone, mahal, look! Doing it.
The hair.
The hair. Kaganda yan, ay. Ka-enjoy ba?
Okay, last round here.
Last round daw. You want that? No.
That was a nice present for Father's Day.
I'm happy you appreciate it, mahal.
You know, I got a medal from my son.
Mm-hmm.
And then I played a board game with him. And then we played a video game together. And then we watched a movie in the theater. It's a nice day.
Yeah. And then later you'll get a very yummy dinner. Also your request, huh? Ikaw, always mine, and me.
And also my class.
Oh, yes, of course, your request.
You need something with that.
What?
I need duffel with it.
Yeah. And
We
also,
don't- we
I
don't have.
ordered you sides, the fries and also salad.
I'm already full.
Nabusog sa M&M's at saka sa chips. Success ang ating Father's Day gift, guys. Alam nyo, nagbabalak ako na magpagupit dito sa parlor. Gusto ko nang mas maiksi. Kasi straight lang to pagkagupit ko. Gusto ko sana yung yung parang short slash nga siya. Kung paano ba sabihin yan? Kaya para hindi siya na straight lang. Kala ko sino. I thought someone else, mahal. I want to go to the parlor, mahal. With Alita, I think. Yung sa ni hairdresser ni Vika. I want shorter. Kaya tingnan nyo, pangit siya tingnan dito, di ba? Maganda to pag naayos talaga. Ako lang kasi niyan eh. Mahirap pag straight ng buhok, guys, kung ikaw lang. Okay lang ang pa-slash kasi bahala hindi pantay eh. Pero pag straight na, kailangan talaga ng ibang tao na titingin din. Kasi Daniel, matakot ako. You remember the last time I asked my husband?
Takot ako?
Yeah, I was afraid of
Why?
you cutting my hair. You know, it went super short.
That's why you
Yeah.
gave me the scissors. You
Last
put them in
night.
my hands. I told you I am not cutting anything. You already know
Nakaiyak ako.
I cannot cut hair. You already know that.
Nakaiyak ako ba? Kaya ginupitan niya ako. Naghanggang dito yung buhok ko. Kakapanganak ko lang kay Nathan. Dito tayo guys sa Yumbo. Hindi yan Jumbo. Kundi Yumbo. Bili si Daniel ng beer. Tagal na ako hindi nakapunta dito na grocery. Malapit to sa pinagtatrabahoan ko dati. Oh, ice cream! What is that? Vanilla ice cream? Kailangan din natin ng bread kaya may pasok na naman si Nathan bukas. Yeah, that one. Bread is life. Whatever you want. Magbili ako ng pabango ng ating damit, guys. Parang ito, oh. Ito siguro, kay mabango siya. Jasmine and sandalwood daw. Need din natin yan, guys. Para siya yung ano siya, yung pangtanggal ng mancha, pero para sa decolor. Uwi na tayo, guys. Kayo in-order ko. Magdating po yun ng 4:45. Nag-order po ako ng spare rib. Doon sa paborito naming restaurant dito. Yung hindi kami kumakain doon kay sobrang tagal po ng serving nila. Kaya ginagawa namin na mag-order na lang sa bahay kay mas mabilis sila on time. Mas inuuna po nila yung take out kaysa dine-in. Na LSS na naman ang anak ko, guys. Is that the pizza time?
The game we're playing upstairs.
Oh, it's fine. Pizza time. I'll be fine. Mag-inasal ako para sa breakfast ko, sa brunch ko bukas. Mag-add ako ng salad kasi yung in-order... Ano ba yan? What is that, mahal? Yung in-order ko po na salad ay very foreigner style. Kamusta naman ang Father's Day ganap nyo dyan? Anong ginawa nyo sa mga mister nyo, guys? Nagtumbling-tumbling ba kayo dyan? Bigyan ko ng masahe mamaya si Daniel with happy ending, syempre. Joke, joke, joke! Joke lang bitaw, guys. Okay talaga. Pinapatawa ko lang kayo. Oh, look at that. Late lang siya ng 15 minutes, guys. So, okay lang. Hindi siya 1 hour and 30 minutes. Look at that. Nag-order ako ng fries para kay Daniel. Siyempre, hindi yan mag-rice pag ribs. Ito lang yung salad. Kapunti lang pala. Buti na lang talaga gumawa ako ng salad, guys. Wow. Super yummy talaga. Kaya kahit late sila, mag-order pa rin kami, guys. Harap ng fries. Gabi ka crispy. Tawagin ko niyan sila. Harap, uy. Natin na maliit. Boys, food is ready. So,
Thank you.
I am so full.
what's your face?
And I am so full.
You don't want to eat? So yummy with rice. You want rice or fries?
I'm so full.
Thank you. Oh, we have sauce.
Yeah, that's for you. I got you. Then
Mama,
the
Because we
fries.
ate all the snacks in the...
I want to eat pipino.
Yeah, I really want pipino. Ala, yan sila dyan sa buhay nila. Uy, ayaw nilang kumain.
You got LSS, mahal?
No. Pipino. Mamaya na sinatan eh.
Oh, it's Father's Day.
I already know what you want. A massage.
Yes!
I know, huh? I already told them I'm giving you massage with happy ending.
Yeah, it's fine. Just massage is okay.
Wow.
Happy ending is also very nice.
After waking me up at 2 o'clock, ha? Parang maubos na siguro itong buhok ko ba? Ginupitan ko na naman. Hindi na ako magpunta sa salon, guys. Masaya na ako sa kanya ngayon. Alam nyo, kasi takot din ako mapunta sa salon, guys. Mas mabuti na yung sisihin ko ang sarili ko, na ginupitan ko ang sarili ko kaysa magsisi ako ng ibang tao na mag-iyak-iyak ako bakit ko pinagupit. Kaya palaging ganyan ang nangyayari sa akin. Laban lang, guys! Sinasabi ko sa inyo ba, maubos na itong buhok ko kakagupit ko. Ayoko kasi ng masyadong straight talaga. Gusto ko may body pa rin po siya, no? That is the body I'm talking about. Okay na. Nakapag ano din tayo ng 26 euros, guys. Nakaiwas gastos na naman. I don't need to go to the salon anymore.
Good.
I cut it again. What do you think?
Oh, yeah. I see. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's better, huh?
Kijk op de boerderij.
We're listening.
We're listening, she says. Het is Vaderdag, toch?
Sige na, it's a...
You want to read?
No.
Het is vaderdag. I want to listen. You read,
Sige.
you read me a story.
Dali naman.
Blij gepiep en gegil vanaf het erf. En daar stond zijn vriend bij het hek, buiten adem en onder de modder. Zie je daar? Ik ben ten einde raad, zei Biggetje Goedhart hoofdschuddend. Ik had aan tante Trippelteen beloofd om op haar biggetjes te letten als ze naar de winkel ging. Maar die rakkers zijn nog uit het hok geglipt en willen niet meer terug.